Beer time. It's Hurricane HG. Malt liquor. Do they consider this malt liquor? Oh, no, they consider it an ale where I'm at. Some different parts of the world, you'll see different names on them. See that right there? It says ale above the barcode. In some beers, it says, this is definitely not an ale. This is a cheap-ass lager, malt liquor type beer. In some beers in other states, it will say lager, also ale in Texas. So. Some of them will say malt liquor, lager in Texas. I'm not shitting you. Pay attention to above your labels. Or above your barcodes, rather. But it really doesn't mean anything. It's not an ale. This is not an ale. This one goes out to my dog. I'm sure I've... like not my dog, like my homeboy, like my literal dog. I'm sure I've done that shout out a few times. I can't remember. So... Scooby-Doo. Like I said, I'm not drunk yet, so first couple beers are always a slow batch. Fuck, am I bleeding? I guess my nose is just red. These Hurricane high gravities are definitely not as good as Steel Reserve. To me, Steel Reserve is the king of beers. I'm saving this can, so...